Alright guys, Chatt Cats Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. Today, with my brother-in-law Fred, we are going for some bass. Hopefully get a top water action going. You can see the fog lifting up from the pond right now. There's 6 ponds in this Deerchase neighborhood, and I'm fishing on my father-in-law's property. So hopefully we'll get some action. We got the kayaks out, so this should make an interesting video for sure. There we go. Let's do it. Oh! Oh! See that?
Dude, I did. That was awesome.
Did you see that? Did you see that blow up?
I did. You missed him?
Yeah. Dude.
Awesome.
Dude. Oh, that almost spooked me a little bit, man. Woo! All right, guys, got my Gatsu offset worm hook on, and we're gonna go ahead and use the classic Gary Yamamoto Yamasenko. Alrighty, classic Texas rig. Let's see what we can get. Fish on.
Oh yeah. There we go.
All right, guys, we are hooked up. It is a baby.
Monster.
But that's okay.
Right, you're on the scoreboard.
At least we got the skunk out of the boat. That's what counts. Man, these bass are a little feisty here.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, he'd be good for an aquarium.
Nice little quarter pounder.
Yeah, he's probably a quarter of a pound. Fish on! Ooh! Whoa! That's a good one. If I can get this guy.
Oh man, I see it. Nice.
I have some weeds on my line, that's the only problem.
Yeah, I see it.
That's the...
Jump. Pretty good jump.
That's a nice one.
Got him? Oh yeah, nice.
It's about probably a pound.
Nice, Joe. Very nice.
Man, he devoured that, I tell you. All right, guys, fish number 2, right on the senko. Let's go and release him. There he goes. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, nice flop out of the water, fellas. All right, guys, here's the fish. Nice fish. If you guys like that video, please be sure to check out some of our other videos here on the Chatt Cats Fishing channel. Please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.